junior basketball players. These young ladies have been working hard and competing at a very high level this season. Their hard work has paid off with success. We look forward to the day when they are playing on the Marshall Gym floor as Davenport Central Blue Devils. Our first group is Coach Tony Barr and the third grade Lady Bees. Our next group is Coach Todd Bernauer and the fourth grade Lady Bees. And now please welcome Coach Demetrius Johnson and the fifth grade Lady Bees. And our next group is Coach Marcus Terry and the sixth grade Lady Bees. And please welcome Coach Gary Mayfield and the seventh grade Lady Bees. And now Coach Jason Roberts and the eighth grade Lady Bees. We especially would like to thank Meredith Terry and Coach Gary Mayfield for all of their efforts on behalf of Lady Bees.